The Eudicots, Eudicotidae or Eudicotyledons are a monophyletic clade of flowering plants that had been called tricolpates or non-magnoliid dicots by previous authors. The botanical terms were introduced in 1991 by evolutionary botanist James A. Doyle and paleobotanist Carol L. Hotton to emphasize the later evolutionary divergence of tricolpate dicots from earlier, less specialized, dicots. The close relationships among flowering plants with tricolpate pollen grains was initially seen in morphological studies of shared derived characters. These plants have a distinct trait in their pollen grains of exhibiting three colpi or grooves paralleling the polar axis. Later molecular evidence confirmed the genetic basis for the evolutionary relationships among flowering plants with tricolpate pollen grains and dicotyledonous traits. The term means true dicotyledons, as it contains the majority of plants that have been considered dicots and have characteristics of the dicots. The term Eudicots has subsequently been widely adopted in botany to refer to one of the two largest clades of angiosperms, monocots being the other. The remaining angiosperms are sometimes referred to as basal angiosperms or paleodicots, but these terms have not been widely or consistently adopted, as they do not refer to a monophyletic group. The other name for the Eudicots is tricolpates, a name which refers to the grooved structure of the pollen. Members of the group have tricolpate pollen, or forms derived from it. These pollens have three or more pores set in furrows called colpi. In contrast, most of the other seed plants produce monosulcate pollen, with a single pore set in a differently oriented groove called the sulcus. The name tricolpates is preferred by some botanists to avoid confusion with the dicots, a non-monophyletic group. Numerous familiar plants are eudicots, including many common food plants, trees, and ornamentals. Some common and familiar eudicots include members of the sunflower family such as the common dandelion, the forget-me-not, cabbage and other members of its family, apple, buttercup, maple, and macadamia. Most leafy trees of mid-latitudes also belong to eudicots, with notable exceptions being magnolias and tulip trees which belong to magnoliids, and ginkgo biloba, which is not an angiosperm. The name Eudicots is used in the APG system, of 1998, and APG2 system, of 2003, for classification of angiosperms. It is applied to a clade, a monophyletic group, which includes most of the dicots. Subdivisions: the Eudicots can be divided into two groups, the basal Eudicots and the core Eudicots. Basal Eudicot is an informal name for a paraphyletic group. The core Eudicots are a monophyletic group. A 2010 study suggested the core Eudicots can be divided into two clades, gunnarals and a clade called pentapetalae, comprising all the remaining core Eudicots. The pentapetalae can be then divided into three clades, the Dilneaceae, a superocid clade consisting of saxifragales, vitales and rosids, a suprasterid clade consisting of santalales, berberidopsidales, chaeophyllales and asterids. Within the core Eudicots, the largest groups are the rosids, and the asterids. This division of the Eudicots is shown in the following cladogram. The following is a more detailed breakdown, showing within each clade some unplaced families and orders, clade Eudicots. Family Buxaceae, plus family Didymelaceae, family Sabiaceae, family Trochodendraceae, plus family Tetracentraceae. Order Ranunculales, order Proteales. Clade core Eudicots. Family Arextoxaceae, family Berberidopsidaceae, family Dilneaceae. Order Gunnarales, order Chaeophyllales, order Saxifragales, order Santalales. Clade Rosids. Family Aphlorhiaceae, family Gysolomataceae, family Ixabaceae, family Picrumniaceae, family Strasburgeriaceae, family Vitaceae. Order Crossomatales, order Geraniales, order Matales. Clade Eurosidae. Family Zygophyllaceae, plus family Krameriaceae, family Huaceae. Order Celastrales, order Malpighiales, order Oxalidales, order Fabaales, order Rosales, order Cucurbitales, order Fagales. Clade Eurosids 2. Family Tapiciaceae. Order Brassicales, order Malvaales, order Sapindales. Clade asterids. Order Cornales, Order Eudicots. Cladoasteridae. Family Boraginaceae, Family Icacinaceae, Family Oncoticaceae, Family Valiaceae. Order Garrulales, Order Solanales, Order Gentianales, Order Lamiales. Cladoasterids 2. Family Brunniaceae, Family Columeliaceae, plus Family Desfontaneaceae, Family Eremicinaceae, Family Ascolaniaceae, Family Paracraphiaceae, Family Polynosmaceae, Family Sphenostomanaceae, Family Triblaceae. Order Equifoliales, Order Epiales, Order Dipsacales, Order Asterales. Note: a A+, a equals optional, as a segregate of the previous family. References: Doyle, J.A. and Hotton, C.L. Diversification of early angiosperm pollen in a cladistic context, pages 169–195 in Pollen and Spores. Patterns of Diversification. Walter S. Judd and Richard G. Olmsted. A Survey of Tricolpate Phylogenetic Relationships. American Journal of Botany 91, 1627–1644. doi, 10.3732/AJB. 91.10.1627. PMID 21652313. Eudicots in Stevens, P.F. Angiosperm Phylogeny website. Version 7, May 2006. External links: Eudicots at the Encyclopedia of Life, Eudicots, Tree of Life Ware Project, Dicots Plant Life Forms.